Hat tip to my friend David, but this is a public service announcement with the owners of UAV Hotel 501. UAV Hotel 501, please return to the car park. You've left your lights on. In this case, you've left your ADSB on. So here it is here. It keeps refreshing, so there must be an ADSB receiver around there somewhere. Let's go back. Look, if you go down this line, it's flown down here today. So this is where it's flown at Marston Trussell Airfield, and it's been put in and out of the box there. We could look at that in a minute. Well, I won't, but we could see exactly the field or building that it's flown from today. And here's my money. I bet they put it back in the box and then drove it home. And whilst it was in the car, or however the car was packed, it couldn't see the sky. But now it can see the sky, and we're getting more fixes again. So quick look at Google Maps. It's here somewhere. Up here somewhere. Here we are. Look, it's at DroneDefence because it was part there. And I bet, I almost would lay, you can't zoom it in, I almost bet that shadow there is the ADSB receiver. So who are DroneDefence? They're closed, open at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Hopefully they can get out someone before then to go and switch it off. Because other aircraft in the area, here's DroneDefence, tailored drone security. Our solution, Aero Tracker, Aero Central, Aero Marine, Aero Y, Aero, we can't switch it off. Enable, control, detect, defeat, enable. My word. Aero ping, oh. Let's have a look. Aero Tracker. Yeah, I don't know who these people are, but plainly they don't have, or they need to go on a little bit more training for what to do with the ADSB transponder. It's not cool. If a police helicopter was to need to fly around Retford tonight, okay, it would very quickly work out that the thing was on the ground. But yeah, it's gonna be throwing up warnings for any low-level traffic. So, no doubt we'll have a giggle about this on Tuesday at 2100 GMT when we do our normal chat of nonsense, and we'll certainly be talking about this when we do it, which is the guidance issued yesterday or the day before by the CISA, Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency in the USA. Further word on the Chinese drone threat, Aero Sentry. Was that there? Was that? Oh yeah, look, oh excellent. I won't click their advert, but look, because I've looked at their website, their adverts come up on ours. I love it when that happens. Yeah, we'll be talking about that as well, because it's getting a bit serious. Well, not serious, more serious in America, but it's getting better known. They're certainly pushing it out that that's a problem. Don't forget to keep looking for Philip Wonka in this corner here. He appears at random during the month. If he appears, click, and you might win a gold cube, a normal cube, or even a frisbee. We've already given away one gold cube, and very shortly in February, for people that have applied or entered in January, there'll be another one up for grabs. So anyway, enough ranting. I thought that all of this was quite funny. Someone's left that on. Someone needs to buy. If they're on the squadron, they'd be buying a barrel of beer. So someone there needs to buy a barrel of beer for the rest of the team at DroneDefence. Dear viewer, wherever you are in the world, look after yourselves. Have fun this weekend. And as I say, we'll see you at 2100 GMT on Tuesday. Cheers for now.